So the key to writing a successful ebook isn't just having a great idea. It's about choosing a topic that solves a very specific problem for your audience. Now, I get so many questions about ebook writing that I thought I'd cover it all in this video. So today I'm going to answer the top 7 common questions that I get asked all the time when it comes to writing your first ebook. From picking the right topic to formatting, I'll make sure that you have everything that you need to get started with confidence, so keep watching. Hey guys, my name is Dawn Marie and I'm here on YouTube documenting my own journey of starting a digital product business from scratch, mainly ebooks and templates, and I'm taking you along with me, showing you everything that I'm getting up to, as well as behind the scenes to show you what that might look like. I also share what's working for me. Maybe you can try it in your own business to sell your own digital info products. Plus, I'm breaking down my marketing strategies to give you helpful tips and ideas. So if you would love to join me, then I hope you'll stick around and consider subscribing to the channel. Now, before I dive into the video, I have something very special that's going to help make your journey much more easier, and that is my 10-day action plan to launching and selling your own digital product that will give you a focused plan for getting started with selling your ebook. It's free to access and you can get access to that by looking in the description box below for the link to join. All right, now let's dive into the 7 top questions that I get asked about ebook writing. Now let's kick things off with the question that I get asked all the time, and that is, how do you actually pick an ebook topic? Now, I believe that any niche can be profitable as long as you're solving a massive problem for people and you have an audience to sell it to. Now, of course, there are well-known and competitive niches out there, like the weight loss niche, there's the wealth niche, and the relationships niche. These are in high demand, where people are facing serious problems and they're actively looking for solutions. And of course, they're going to be lucrative. But here's the thing. These niches can also be highly competitive. So instead of stressing over choosing the perfect niche, you should focus more on something that I think a lot of people overlook, and that is, what exactly are you passionate about, right? So when you're passionate about something, it just won't feel like work. In fact, this is something that you should be able to speak about for 20 minutes without doing any research. So that passion is what's going to keep you motivated through the writing process. And if you want to build a business around your ebook, then having that passion will also help you stay committed, even when challenges might come up, right? So, and there will always be challenges. So think about a broad topic that you are excited about, right? Then once you know that, figure out what problems people need solved within that niche. So let's say that you decide that you love plants. So that's something that you're going to focus on. You're going to focus on the garden niche. Now, this is where you can do a deep dive and think about the problems people have in relation to plants or their gardens. So a great place to start might be looking at what people are actively searching for. So for example, tools like Google Search, Answer the Public, Google Keyword Planner are really great for getting insights into common questions and the problems that people have within that niche. Another really great strategy is to just get up close with the people who are likely going to buy your ebook in the end. So I share this strategy in a digital product starter planner, and I encourage my customers to find a group of people who are interested in your topic and then just start interviewing them. Start asking them questions that will help you understand their problems and frustrations. And as you interview more people, you will begin to notice a pattern of problems that keep coming up over and over. And these problems are exactly what you want to solve in your ebook. So by focusing on what you're passionate about and what people are really struggling with, then you'll have a topic that's not only profitable, but also one that you are excited to write about. Okay, the next question that I get asked all the time is, what platform should I create my ebooks on? Now, I mean, there are several great options for creating an ebook. I mean, you can use word processing software like Google Docs or Microsoft Word, which are both free and simple to use. In fact, I've created a step-by-step video here that walks you through exactly how to format your ebook from scratch. Then if you want to give your ebook a more professional layout, maybe with images and design, then you might also want to use a design software like Canva, which is especially helpful for adding images and custom design elements like infographics or icons. Now, if you've tried using Canva before to create an ebook, then you can check out my ebook design toolkit, which is a template toolkit that I've created that includes all the pages that you should include in your own ebook, and it's already customized for you. So all you really need to do is drag and drop your images. You can add your text, you can change your colors, and I've even included video tutorials to help you customize them. So you can check that out with the link in the description box below. Now, let's talk about font size. So I get this question asked a lot, many times, and that is, what font size do I recommend? And when it comes to ebooks, of course, you want to make sure that the font is readable across all devices. So I think a good rule of thumb to use for a font size is between 11 points and 14 points, depending on the font that you choose, right? Now, when I create my own ebooks, I use a popular font like Arial or Railway and make my font size between 11 and 12 points. I mean, these are really easy to read fonts, and I've seen so many ebooks come in cursive or bold fonts, which makes it very hard to read for the readers. So when you're thinking about font size, make sure that you're using clean and simple fonts, and you also want to make sure that there is enough line spacing around 1.15 to 1.5 to make it comfortable and easy for your readers to read. So the next question is, how long or how big should your ebook be? And this is a very popular question that I get. So the length really depends on your topic, but I can tell you that if you create an ebook with 5 pages, which could be classed as a guide, or 20 pages, which of course could be course material, or like a real typical ebook, which could be between 20 to 100 pages, as long as it's providing valuable, useful information, people will buy it. So quality over quantity is always key here. Your readers will appreciate a shorter ebook more than they will appreciate a longer ebook that just feels repetitive and it's full of fluff, right? So it doesn't really give any value to them. So that's basically the easy answer to it. Just make sure that it is as valuable as you can, and then the number of pages doesn't really matter. That will be up to you. Now, the next question that I get is, should I share my ebook as a PDF, a Google Doc, or a Word document? Now, the best option in my opinion is as a PDF, because PDFs, they are universally accessible. They can be read on any device, and it makes it easy for customers to download and start reading it right away. However, if you go for a Google Doc or a Word document, people may not use Google Doc or Microsoft, so the formatting could be distorted when they open it, right? Because some people don't have Google on their computers, other people don't have Microsoft on their computers. I use Google a lot, so it makes sense for me to create my ebook within Google, but you also have to think about where your customers are as well. So that's why I think a good idea is to stick with a PDF. Now, a very juicy question that I get is, once your ebook is ready, where can you start? Where can you sell it? And there are tons of platforms where you can sell your ebook, but my most favorite one is on my own website. I sell my ebooks on my own website, and all I had to do was build my own audience and then make sales. But if you're not sure of how to get started with selling your ebook, then you can check out my 10-day action plan to launching and selling digital products. Other platforms that you can use are Etsy, there's Amazon, there's Gumroad, and these are all good if you want to reach a wide audience that's already built in. But remember, because they have an audience that's already built in, lots of people are using them, so you have to think about competition as well. Plus, there are other problems with using these type of sites, like you don't really own the data there, or the platform isn't yours and you can get banned. And that's why I prefer using my own website, because I'm doing it on my own terms. So again, my 10-day action plan will help you if you are interested in selling your own ebook through your own website. That will give you a step-by-step plan for how to get started with that, and the link is in the description box below. And then finally, what is the best platform to sell your ebook on? Now, there is no one size fits all, but I recommend what I use, and that is Sendal. Now, Sendal is a great platform that is dedicated to selling digital products like ebooks. I have a lot of videos on my channel already about how to use Sendal to sell your digital products, that you can use them to get started. But if you don't like Sendal, there's sites like Gumroad, Payhip, Podia, or Shopify. There's so many that you can use. All you need to do is do a Google search and search for platforms to sell digital products on. And that's it. I've answered your top 7 common questions about writing and selling your first ebook. I hope this video has made it clear for you and cleared up any confusion that you may have, just to give you the confidence to get started. And if you're ready to take the next step in selling and launching your ebook, then don't forget my 10-day action plan that is linked in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.